Welcome to Tesla Info, and today we're going to talk about replacing the rear number plate. In some countries, the rear number plate is held in a large and ugly bracket. Many owners wish to improve the look by removing the bracket and attaching the number plate directly to the car. Tesla adopt a slightly different approach depending on which country you are in, but the approach is similar in each. The number plate is held in place by a frame which is, in turn, held by some simple clips. The frame can be simply teased away and the number plate can be removed. Once the number plate has been removed, the outer bracket or plinth can be removed by undoing a number of screws. This will reveal a smaller plinth. Some owners decide to attach the number plate directly to this smaller inner plinth. This plinth can, however, also be removed. Some more screws hold the inner plinth to the rear of the car. Once removed, the paint will be revealed. Take care not to damage the paint. The area may need a good clean before you go any further, and depending on the condition of the paint, a polish. To attach the rear number plate, we recommend strong Velcro, although a variety of different options exist. In the video, we attach one side of the Velcro to the bodywork and the other side to the back of the number plate, checking the approximate alignment. The number plate can then be attached to the car and, if needed, can be removed carefully to realign. The Velcro we use is very strong and takes some force to remove the number plate, although starting on one side peeling the number plate makes this a little easier.